Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soft with HaAn. In this video I will show you amazing software Windows 10, 11 and 7 for boring right-click. Shell is all you need to customize or add new items with several functions to Windows File Explorer context menu and much more. Let's start the video. Without any delay, hit the like button and subscribe this channel Soft with HaAn for more PC and games related content. Go to any browser and search nilesoft.org. Link in description. This is a trusted website, so don't worry. Like and subscribe my channel Soft with HaAn. If they are not working in your PC, restart your PC, then they working perfectly. Shell is a context menu customizer that lets you handpick the items to integrate into Windows File Explorer context menu, create custom commands to access all your favorite web pages, files, and folders, and launch any application directly from the context menu. It also provides you a convenient solution to modify or remove any context menu item added by the system or third-party software.